Technology changed education forever. Classrooms became chat rooms, notes became Word docs, and books became screens? And it came at a cost. Our children's eyes. Screens reduced blinking rate from 18 times per minute to 3 times per minute, causing dry eyes, computer vision syndrome, and eventually, myopia. Primebook, one of India's leading student laptop brands, introduces Blinkstop, a new punctuation mark that reminds you to blink. Every time you see it, blink. In websites, blink. In articles, blink. At school, blink. At home, well, you know. The Blinkstop was integrated into Primebook flagship browser in every computer from factory. Just go to Settings and activate Blinkstop. Based on average reading rate of children, the OS replaces certain full stops with the Blinkstop, reminding them to blink 18 times a minute.
It's a fantastic idea. It felt like a game to them.
Where we've innovated to kind of put that Blinkstop sign onto the eye charts. This could roll across so many eye hospitals.
Need to ensure that our kids are reminding again and again that they need to blink it to keep their eyes hydrated.
It's a symbol that we throw open to the world. We have even invited a lot of brands to use Blinkstop in their own way. It has a potential to save crores of students from the perils of myopia.
Blinkstop, fighting myopia, one blink at a time.